for coming. Salamat po sa pag-like, Ma'am Ams Vlog. Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hello everyone. Salamat po. Thank you too. I'm done, my friend. Tik. Puntahan ko muna sa Ma'am Helen's. Sir Wilson, maraming salamat po. Sir 20 Wheels, salamat po. Sisi Jazz, salamat. Thank you nung marami. Parang ko lang si Ma'am Helen muna. Ayan, dito po ako sa inyo. Travel. Salamat po, Ma'am Helen. Salamat po sa inyong pagtambay. Just, salamat. Mega love shout out. Ma'am Ams Vlog 0722, salamat po. Bye-bye. You take care, Atis Warren. Thank you. Sisi, naimbag na rabi. Anong game over? Ayan, mag-comment lang ako dito, Ma'am Helens po. SR! Good evening, my friend. How are you? Thank you for coming, SR. Family Vlogs. Ma'am Ams Vlog 0722. Maraming salamat po. Sir Wilson, ano yan? Isunod kita dito, Sir Wilson, kay Ma'am Helen. Thank you, SR. Thank you, my friend. Salamat din. Salamat po, Ma'am Ams Vlog 0722. Thank you. SR, my friend. This morning, I visited your live. Very good. From Kuala Lumpur, KJ, thank you for coming. You eat well. Thank you, my friend. Ma'am Sherlan Vlog, maraming salamat po. Thank you, SR, my friend. Sir Wilson, thank you. SR, thank you so much. Mama Yunes TV, thank you, Sisi Koy. Maraming salamat ng marami. Ramazan Osgul, hello, good evening to you. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. Ayan, Ma'am Helen's Vlog. Patapos na po ako sa inyong video, ma'am. Salamat po. SR, my friend, thank you so much. Ingat ka din, Sir Gayoy, Ma'am Gayoy TV. Salamat po.